Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Peugeot 308. Now of course this is the Peugeot 308 GT. You do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, you also get front parking sensors, you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just up there. Then into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got part cloth, part leather interior with your red GT stitching. You've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, keyless entry and start, full electric windows all around, electric handbrake. You've also got your drive select just here as well, so you can choose between sport or eco. Engine start stop button is here. You then get your automatic gearbox as well. You've got your heated rear windscreen, front windscreen blowers. Then you've also got your infotainment display, which has satellite navigation. You've got your various media sources as well. You can control all your climate settings within here again. And then coming on to your home settings, you've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. You've got your volume controls to the left. Then you've got your track select and source on the right. You've got automatic headlights just behind on the indicator stalk and automatic windscreen wipers. You got your cruise control just underneath the indicator stalk. And as you can see, this Peugeot has done 39,609 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Peugeot 308, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.